Next, we head to bond court in Broward County, Florida. Judge John Hurley presiding. The defendant is Fenton Ross, who's charged with possession of Flakka, a synthetic drug. Hurley's about to release Ross on his own recognizance when the state objects and asks for a bond of $1,000. The reason? Ross is homeless and pretrial services will have a hard time keeping track of him. Ross is represented by public defender Dale Miller, who disagrees with the bond.
Judge, at this time I would object to the court putting the bond back. Being homeless should not be an impediment to being pretrial.
But Judge Hurley overrules and tries to move on. And that's when Miller speaks up.
Judge, since we're gonna warehouse Mr. Ross for a while.
Judge Hurley takes exception to Miller's choice of words.
Judge, since we're gonna warehouse Mr. Ross for a while, can we get a staff?
Hold on, sir. Hold on. You know what? Your unprofessionalism and your smart aleck, sir, don't even try. You need to pick up your professionalism. You're taking a shot at the court. It's unprofessional. It is really, sir, you do this quite often. The court's really tired of it. I've admonished you many times, and you know you're taking a shot by saying warehousing. You need to pick up your game for professionalism, sir. You don't need to editorialize. You don't need to give a shot like that to the court. I'm not inclined to hold you in contempt of court. That's not the way I do it. But let me just tell you, you need to pick your game up because your shots to this court really undermine everyone's view of how the court should be run. And you need to stop doing this. And I'm going to ask you to please, sir, take a pause today and think about this and knock it off. Thank you.
Judge?
But Miller decides not to back down and continues arguing.
Judge?
Nothing more about that.
I am advocating zealously for my client.
You're advocating in an unprofessional way, and I'm not going to hear another word about it.
After the hearing, Judge Hurley perhaps had a change of heart because the $1,000 bond was eliminated and Ross sent to a drug treatment program. He's eventually released and ordered to pay a fine of $293. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.